coming this way with a bunch of pipe. Here's my last coupling or fitting or whatever, and I'm going this way, and I got to turn up a 90. What do we do? I'll show you. This is where the star comes in. I'm going, let's get this out here. Boom. Right there. We're going along. Let's pop this out just for. We're going along here. I don't know if you can see that, can you? Here's my last coupling and fitting. Watch out because the coupling is going over, so make sure it's the end of your pipe. And here we go. We want to bend right here up into a 90. Nice and tight. So what you do, you just take a measurement right from here, right to where you got to bend up. 71 inches. That's what this shows. So 71 inches, you make a mark. $71. There's my mark at 71 from there. There's my last fitting down there. If you bend it from this way, it's gonna totally go horribly wrong. So 71 from down there. I'm gonna flip that conduit around now. You all right? Okay. Now it was 71 down. Here's the mark. Now we're going to go on a star. The point of that star, it could be a teardrop depending on what bender you got. It's the ideal. We're going to put it right on the star. 71 inches. You start with the back of your 90. See a bend. See what happens. Yeah. Looks pretty straight. Sometimes you add all. Look at something in the room. You can tell that door jam, whatever. It's not running a needle level really. Boom, there it is. Now if you pop a level on, you can see it's just like perfect or something. Well, maybe not. A little bend. There you go.